Differences, differences, differences. But can you spot the difference here? Hi, Jennifer.
Hi,
Tell us.
this is more appealing to male applicants. This could be more appealing to female applicants.
Okay, so the words that companies use can have a huge impact on the talent they attract?
Yes, it has been shown that 85% of women and minorities that are highly educated in tech, for example, are not pursuing a tech job because of stereotypes that we all grew up with. We are not conscious that words that we have been using for a long time affects the reader depending on their minority group.
And your tool helps companies be more inclusive in recruitment.
Yes, it's a software tool powered by artificial intelligence. You paste your text, and by hovering on the color word, you get the inclusive alternatives.
So, are these words better?
Indeed, this would be actually more inclusive language, more appealing to all genders.
Now that's one example on how to be part of the solution.